still in Nigeria. And you are going again to grandma's gifts, you know.
We are not leaving Nigeria today.
Are you sure?
We will stay
When we
here.
are done, we are leaving. We are going back to our country to prepare all these delicious recipes we've learned today. You know. Grandma has something special for us today. You know? Yeah.
All right. So, Grandma prepared swallow and atama soup. And after that soup, they had a mukbang with Helen. Grandma gift had it with Helen. She was saying that's the last baby. I'm not sure. And then Helen was like, that food, the way they were eating it. Let's watch the video.
You massage the fufu face. You knock, and I knock fufu no you Hey, I'm going to face to finish. Hey, today not today. Men no have ya for no. Women no for.
I'll not eat now.
You knock it, I see. I'm speaking Calabash, she's speaking English. I know they have to. I know they have to.
Okay, what do you have to say about the video?
We have a lot to say about the video. You know, I love the
Let's
fact
go.
that they're always happy when eating. You know, grandma is really raising Helen so well. Yeah, she's instilling so much discipline. I love the fact that the food content consists of a lot of vegetables, you know, herbs. That's health-wise. As our channel promotes healthy lifestyle, healthy living, it's also good. And I don't know, I saw something that I wasn't happy with, but you know, Grandma and Helen explained to us at the comment section. And viewers, you have to explain to us at the comment section. I don't know if this is their tradition though.
What did you say?
The way they are squeezing the.
Do you have the eye of an eagle and you are seeing this? What did you say?
The way they are squeezing, I don't know the bar whatsoever. The fufu, yeah, with their both hands.
They were throwing the swallow.
To me, how do I even put
Is it healthy?
I'm not sure. It's not. You know, because both hands. You know.
But they are doing mukbang, so probably they intentionally did that. We don't know. And then Helen was saying that village people do it with two hands.
Okay.
By cutting, so they were using.
That's what I was saying. I don't know if it's a tradition, but we Ghanaians we don't do that.
Yeah.
To me,
But how can you be eating with your two hands? Food is in front of you. Just wash your hand and then eat. Now you are doing this, throwing, and Helen was very good at the throw.
I don't know if she wants to be a good keeper, though, but she did really great. But I don't know, you know, I don't think to me, I'm not against anything. Good eating habits. I think both hands are good, and the fact that they are throwing it up to, you know, it's not.
Yes, it might even fall to the ground. What happens if it falls? Are they going to pick it? So Grandma will tell us more about that.
All the same, they were happy and everything.
Yes.
Was okay. Grandma is really doing well. You know?
It was a fun video, so that's why I'm saying maybe they intentionally do that. But if that is how people are eating in the village, then there is a need for them to stop. And then I think we'll ask Winnie's School of Etiquette. Yes, she talks a lot about etiquette and eating habits. So maybe
Winnie must comment.
Winnie help us to really understand this situation. That is it good? Is it healthy? Is it how would I say, is it a nice way of eating? Because if I should send them to America, we are traveling to America when in the next 3 months. And then I want to take Helen. Helen might want to go and be doing that.
and take it as if maybe we have visitors.
Yeah.
And maybe they are not too much into their culture.
Yeah.
So is that how they go about it? Or they have other ways of going about it?
So the right person that would do that for us is Winnie's School of Etiquette. Yeah, she should come and help us find the answer to this. If it is good to eat with 2 hands and then throwing the food up and down. And then I saw that it was very big in their hand and they were cutting it. So
you know, as I was saying, I think it's a pounded cassava also. So you have to squeeze it and make it so soft before swallowing. I don't know if they have so many ways.
It's atama. Is it a swallow? I don't know the type of swallow because I couldn't get the exact thing. And then the fact that
we Ghanaians we have similar meal which is fufu, but we use single hand in cutting it.
Yes. Even that plane, you cannot be doing that because there are airborne diseases. So you throw it and somebody, I don't think
let's assume you throw it and a fly. Yes, falls on it.
A fly kisses it.
Yeah, let's do it that way. That's fine.
Then one thing I also don't want, you know, grandma is aging.
Oh yeah.
And she mentioned it that it's a night food. I don't know the particular time that she was eating.
Okay, she must tell us.
So, once she's aging, for me, I don't think she should
reduce the starchy foods,
yes,
right?
the starchy food, and then she should not be eating late too, because eating late, we have disadvantages. The disadvantages, one is that it can impair your memory and your learning ability. So Helen is now growing up
and eating starchy food at night, you know, you grow fat, you know.
Obesity, yes. So it disturbs sleep schedule too. Maybe you have scheduled to sleep a certain time because you have eaten late, you cannot sleep well. If you are pregnant and you are eating late, these are some of the things we are learning. Now, if you are pregnant and you are eating late, it will also affect the pregnancy. Did you know that?
I know.
It can affect metabolism and digestive.
Yeah.
So that will make you obese and you put on weight. So for us to stay fit, we need a proper diet at a proper timing, so as to reduce all these health hazards. Or what do you have to say?
Exactly, 100%.
So late eating too can increase hunger.
It can increase hunger.
Yes. If you are the type that continues eating late, then you see that anytime you are hungry, you have to wake up.
When it's 12 o'clock midnight, I know a lot of friends that will complain.
Oh, you have been doing it yourself.
Mommy, what are you saying?
You have been doing this yourself, then you are saying your friend. Mention your friend. Your friend is listening. It is he himself.
I'll mention you again.
It is himself because I once caught him. He woke up around 11 and was eating, guess what? Iba.
But mommy advised me and I stopped, so you advised me and I stopped, so so that's fine. I'll stop eating at night. That's what I'm advising that it's not right to eat at night.
Yeah, so when we say
healthy as well, so.
When we say late eating, it's like you eat like within 3 hours before you go to sleep. So you eat like 7 and 7, 8, 9, 10. You are going to sleep. It's late eating.
After eating, you can trek, take a walk.
Yeah. So what grandma did, I like it because they were playing with the food and they were laughing. I think it's a form of exercise. So maybe that one too will help. So eating late, don't eat late because it has disadvantages. You are going to gain weight. You have poor digestion. It will disrupt your sleep. You have effect on your mental health and increase blood pressure. So I would love grandma to help reduce it. I don't know the timing, but it's a kudos. We enjoyed
all
it.
the same, grandma is doing a great job.
Yeah.
She's really doing well.
So in Ghana, we'll say Ayiko. Ayiko is like, well done, you've done well. So right now, I think we have overstayed Nigeria. Do you think we can stay for some weeks? I'm really enjoying Nigeria.
Really?
Yeah.
So you want us to stay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Can we relocate? All right, viewers, we'll see you in our next video. Please, if you don't have grandma gifts, go check her channel and also visit our channel. We have healthy foods there you can also learn from. And then we are imperfect, so we are not here to
criticize
anyone. We are just doing it for fun and educating and having fun. So Grandma's Kitchen will see you. Grandma's Gift will see you in our.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, that is good. If you like our new series, yes, reaction, yes, just give us a thumb up and then share our video. So let's keep
healthy, strong, healthy living, exercise.
So lovely. We'll see you next time. Stay healthy. Bye. Bye.